Welcome back to my famous, well-known, creative, informative and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on machine learning using Python. Right now, facial emotion recognition from image, then age and gender classification, then facial emotion recognition from image with image classification, then multi-class image classification using CNN, then Python food classification using TensorFlow, then Python image classification CIFAR10 using CNN, then Python image classification using CNN convolutional neural network, then image recognition using ResNet 50 library. Our latest video was facial recognition login system. Today's video is enhancement of the previous video, facial recognition login system. So let us go through the main file, that is this is main file. Little bit large. Then I will show you another file which is a little bit large. I am using the database MySQL as a backend. Also in my latest video I have used MySQL as a backend. This is all about the student table. Now I will execute the program. A nice screen has been displayed in front of you. Facial recognition and identification system. First of all, we will go through the student detail which you want to fill up. Yes, then we will select the department IT, then we will select the course FE, then we will select the year 2022, select the semester second, then student ID 2, then student name Shahrukh, then email gmail.com, roll number student roll number 12, we will take 12, then date of birth, then address, Bandra, phone number, teacher name, then here I will take the photo, but the screen will not, but the data will be saved. Take the photo. Yes, student detail has been successfully added. Now we can see here the student ID 2 and this thing IT department FE, we can see, and here in student detail the image has been saved. We can search here by roll number 1. Yes, roll number 1 is not 11, I think. Yes. So now we will go to another part. Do you want to update the student detail? Yes, we can update. No, id where clothes. Okay, so we will see another part. Now here face detector, this manner. Then this is the attendance noted, attendance id name Shahrukh, department IT, and the IT 1, 2, time present time 12 hours. This is not important. We can take present. Yes. So we can, this is the training data. Okay, here I have taken the images. My images are showed in this train data, and at the last, so I successfully done with. Now I will show you the image has been saved in database or not, which is very important. Yes, it is telling yes, Shahrukh Khan image, and yes, it is telling that it has been saved. Yes. So I successfully done with face recognition login system. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on facial recognition login system, and more videos on machine learning using Python, then image classification, then multi-class image classification using CNN, if possible lot of videos on CNN image classification, then image recognition, then facial recognition using CNN and this thing. Keep watching my videos on youtube.com for machine learning. Thanks for watching.